Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, where we unlock the secrets buried in company filings. And today we're diving into a report that might make you say, wait a minute, what just happened to Apple Hospitality REIT Incorporated? Because it seems like they've been busy buying up hotels. This filing is a current report on Form 8 for those unfamiliar. An 8K is like a company's urgent bulletin board, used to announce big news that investors need to know about right away, and Apple Hospitality REIT has just announced they bought a new hotel. So this report was filed on the 22nd of December, but it talks about something that happened on the 19th of December. That is a pretty quick turnaround, which tells us this acquisition is something they consider pretty important. Just to quickly establish who we're talking about, Apple Hospitality REIT Incorporated is a real estate investment trust, which basically means they own and operate income, producing real estate, primarily hotels. They're based in Richmond, Virginia, and trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol APPLE. Now for the main event, the big news here is that Apple Hospitality REIT has just completed the acquisition of a Motto by Hilton Hotel located in Nashville, Tennessee. This is a significant move because it means they are expanding their portfolio. Buying a hotel isn't like picking up a new pen. It is a major financial undertaking that shows a company is growing and betting on future success in that specific market. Nashville is a popular tourist and business destination, so it makes sense for them to invest there. While this report doesn't go into the nitty-gritty financial details of the purchase itself, which would typically be found in a more comprehensive filing like a 10Q or 10K. The very active filing, an 8K, for this announcement tells us they believe this acquisition is material information for their stakeholders. It signals their strategic direction. They are actively acquiring properties likely to generate rental income. The company is also providing a press release along with this filing. Think of this press release as the official announcement that everyone gets to read. It is usually written to sound very positive and highlight the benefits of the move. While we don't have the full text of the press release here, the fact that they've attached it to this filing means it is part of the official record for the purpose of this disclosure. It is essentially their public relations spin on this expansion. Now, let's briefly touch on how this might affect investors. Apple Hospitality REIT is common shares are traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Symbol APPLE when a company expands its portfolio of revenue generating assets, like buying a new hotel. The hope is that it will lead to increased revenue and profits down the line. This can in turn make the stock more attractive to investors. However, it is important to remember that acquisitions also come with risks. There is the cost of the acquisition itself, and then ongoing operational costs and market risks associated with the new property. The report also lists the securities registered under the company's name. In this case, it is their common shares, no par value, trading under the ticker APPLE on the New York Stock Exchange. This tells us how investors can buy and sell ownership in Apple Hospitality REIT. Looking at the signatures, we see Justin G. Knight, the Chief Executive Officer, signing off on this report. This means the company's top leader is making this announcement official. CEOs usually sign off on significant corporate actions. So, what is the story here? Apple Hospitality REIT is actively growing its hotel portfolio with the acquisition of a Motto by Hilton in Nashville. This is a bullish sign from management, showing confidence in their ability to manage and profit from new properties in a desirable market as investors. We need to keep an eye on how this new asset contributes to their overall financial performance in future reports. We will be watching for details on how this acquisition impacts their revenue and profitability in the coming quarters. Now, looking at this filing, it is pretty straightforward. It is an announcement of a new hotel purchase. The real story will unfold in their future financial reports where we'll see the impact of this acquisition on their earnings. For now, it is a signal of growth and a bet on the hospitality sector, specifically in a vibrant city like Nashville. The main risk is simply that the hotel might not perform as expected due to competition, economic downturns, or other unforeseen factors. Alright, that is our quick dive into Apple Hospitality REIT's latest move. What do you think about this hotel acquisition? Does it signal strong future growth, or are there hidden risks we should be aware of? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more corporate insights, and don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description for even more discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.